in research. Yeah. We'll be discussing. I will be starting with a very great case study. So let us understand how technology plays a very, very important role in research. Uh, with this, let me tell you that every day 900 million people talk about ChatGPT. They are always interacting with ChatGPT. ChatGPT has become a part of their research, their queries, I mean to say, the results. Some of them making decisions based on its validation. Some of them are building their mental health around its responses. Some of them are losing the ability to think further what can be done. So millions of people using ChatGPT. Now it is called the mother of knowledge. Why it is called the mother of knowledge? I am going to tell you one of the beautiful case study. You see, recently, uh, before 80 years, one mathematician was there. His name is Paul Erdos. He asked one simple question, that one of the most, popular question, but nobody could be able to solve that question and could not be able to give answer since last 80 years. We have many brains. We have many, experts are here in the globe. The problem asks how many pairs of points can be placed on a plane, in a surface. Between the selected pair, exactly 1 unit. That was the question. So despite of decades of input, nobody could be able to give answer to this question. And you see, problem remained unsolved and became a landmark challenge. And a very, very, it is a combination of geometric and mathematics. It was a combination of geometric and mathematics. That is why it is known as one of the biggest unsolved question. It was a challenge for the human being. And recent development due to ChatGPT, the ChatGPT has solved these issues, this problem. ChatGPT, OpenAI's ChatGPT has demonstrated how AI-assisted reasoning, pattern recognition, and computational exploration can contribute to tackling long-standing mathematical problems. And after 8 decades, it symbolizes not only progress in mathematics through human activities, human brains, also growing synergy between human intellect and artificial intelligence after 80 years. And they have started giving solution. So what is its impact? What we will be learning from this case study? We will be learning that ChatGPT or any artificial intelligence tools we are using for our research purposes, they are really giving problem solutions. It is not only saving times, it is not only saving your valuable time, but also it creates a kind of synergy. It creates a kind of platform for you to solve the issues quickly. So after 1946, it was unsolved. So you might have heard about gen technology. Earlier, missile were operated for war purposes. Now drones are being operated for war purposes. So technology is known as gen technology is known as anti-drone technology. So it is possible because of this solution only. It is possible because of this mathematical solution only. So my question is, how am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Sure. My point is that we all are talking about enhancement of creativity and innovations through artificial assisted brainstorming. But how is it possible? Because you see, when we are doing research, it requires a creative thinking. So creative thinking is the central part of research. So you see, generate new idea, identify hidden research gaps, simulate complex models, visualize theories through digital tools, integrate interdisciplinary perspectives. So thousands of emerging themes you can get in one platform without getting much stress for your creativity and innovation. So you need to make a collaborative kind of like creativity very quickly, so innovations will be in your hands. The next is expansion of your knowledge accessibility. You see, artificial intelligence in research or technology in research has enhanced your knowledge accessibility. So your knowledge accessibility is possible because of you know e-journal yourself getting to this knowledge accessibility. We know when you are going to write a bibliometric paper, you are going to write a review paper, when you are going to write a conceptual paper, you need the database to be, I mean to say, touch to be taken. So knowledge accessibility is very much, I mean to say, aligned with knowledge retrieval efficiency. And when we are talking about retrieval efficiency, it is based on the quality and accuracy. And based on that, decision making is possible. And you come to this improvement side. For example, Let me switch up my video, then it will be running smoothly now. Huh. So you see, when we are talking about this improvement, research accuracy and reliability, because you see, technology has made us so accurate so that we can derive reliability on our research. Earlier, there was very less mechanism to study the reliability. Now, reliability can be studied very quickly. Because you see, there are so many statistical softwares, plagiarism detection systems, reference managers, analytical tools, data precisions, methodological rigor, transparency, many things are there. So large scale data analysis is possible based on the accuracy and reliability. So we must know how to define the objectives and metrics. So let us understand in research how technology could be used for define clear objectives and metrics. You see, it is very, very easy nowadays to define a clear objective. It will be suggested by different platforms, AI assisted platforms, whether your objective is clear objective or metrics are clear or not. Then use reliable data sources. Now data sources have become reliable. So you can use that. Data collection method and clean and validation and performance of data analysis also can be made very easy. And you see, now in this modern era, when we are talking about different interdisciplinary research, we are concerned about interdisciplinary research now because we have got boundaryless research now. We can, for example, I'm a management professor, so I can also write on AR, VR, augmented reality and virtual reality, because it is a part of, I mean to say, my research. So this is the fruit tree of interdisciplinary research. One is knowledge. The blue circle is knowledge. Then the deep blue color is attitudes. And the simple, I mean to say, black color is known as the practice. So you see, we are going to highlight here because nowadays the societal challenges made ourselves to shift our research from one discipline to interdisciplinary research. Because sustainability can be studied from different point of views. And this climate change, financial inclusion, digital transformation, healthcare inequalities. These are the areas that is going to knock management, economics, sociology, data sciences, psychology, engineering, environmental sciences. You see, the fruit tree, what the fruit tree is saying, research fruit tree is saying, it is saying if we have got a strong practice, means our root will be very strong. Strong practice is disciplinary research. So strong practice is required with the help of AI, with the help of technology. We have to interact with with different type of technologies. Will lead your research to a very, I mean to say, prominent height. You can see slowly, the knowledge fruit will come. The practice will be converted into your attitude. Every day, if somebody will be habit, then that will knowledge. That will cultivate knowledge. And you see, transformation from data collection to knowledge creation or information collection to knowledge creation. You see, because of technology, nowadays data can be collected, can be organized, can be summarized, can be analyzed, can be synthesized, and decision can be taken. When decision is going to be taken, it is going to hit the knowledge parameter. Because nowadays technology helps us to analyze, I mean to say predictive analysis, intelligent forecasting, pattern recognition, scenario modeling, strategic decision support. So these are the areas are no longer only consumers information nowadays. It is becoming creators of intelligent knowledge system. And apart from that, we need global collaboration and academic network. Like digital platforms, webinar, virtual conferences, collaborative softwares, cloud-based research environment. Scholars from different countries in this platform under EduScare Research University, you have been connected. So you see, this is a collaborative program. Here, we are going to see the community, see the practice, and see the network. When we are talking about community, it is advocate together. When we are talking about community practice, learn together. And when network, I am speaking, innovate together. So, different organizations are there, like ResearchGate or CHEAT. They are strengthening the global scholarly visibility and networks. Beyond research, societal and human transformation is also a part of technology in academy. Because how societal and human transformation will come? It will come if policy making principles are being adopted, flawless, assisted by artificial intelligence or technology. Entrepreneurship, I mean to say high-tech entrepreneurship, startups, healthcare system, governance, sustainable development, industry 5.0 means interacting with robot and a human, digital inclusion, social innovations. These are the areas where societal and human transformation is possible because we can achieve our vision. We can achieve the mission in this way. And the future objective is not simply faster research, but smarter research. Smarter means meaningful, impactful, human-centered research. And the entire thing, the entire race we are discussing, the result of true innovation is something that can mark as a product or a service at the end of the day. How? Because whenever we are doing any research, ultimately we are giving our idea to the society for getting the benefits through policy, through entrepreneurship, healthcare system, so that many startups, many edu startups, many product startups, many service startups, all will be benefited. And apart from that, you see, now we are in education 5.0 area. So it is human-centric, AI integrated, personalized learning. And we are expecting that here critical thinking, creativity, innovation, emotional intelligence, digital literacy, and interdisciplinary competencies will be increased. In my conclusion, I shall be telling you that the technology we are talking about is highly helpful to the researcher to achieve efficiency, creativity, scalability, global reach, predictive intelligence, collaborative innovation, and transformative social impact. So, the purpose of technology in academic research is not only to save time, but to expand the boundaries of the human imagination, intellectual capabilities, and sustainable knowledge creation. So, future research is the balanced integration of human intelligence plus artificial intelligence, then augmented research is possible. And with this, I must conclude myself, and I must extend my thanks to the organizer. I know there is many, I mean to say that there must be some network issues. But apart from that, I tried my best level. Now I am in Manipur University. So, here limited access of internet and everything is available. And with this, I must extend my thanks to EduScare Research University for providing such a great platform to all of us to share our views and ideas. Over to Professor Ruturaj Saikia, President of this university.